Alright, what's up, y'all? Day 13. So, today's gonna be a little bit shorter. I mean, obviously, it's late. Um, it's been kind of a busy weekend for me, which is why, I don't know, like, okay, sorry, scatterbrained. I have an interview tomorrow at 8 a.m. with this company for a part-time role in the fall. And they said it wasn't going to be directly like a lead code style interview, so I don't really know how to prep for it. I think, gonna go over behavioral stuff before I go to bed tonight, and then also tomorrow morning, and then from there, I don't know, kind of just fucking pray that I can just figure out anything that I get thrown. Obviously, because I do want this. So, we'll see. I was looking, I might just do this lead code one. I might not even fully solve it, because to be honest, I'm just gonna spend the rest of this night prepping, like behavioral stuff, and I kind of want to do that off camera, obviously, because some of it is like personal stuff. But yeah, just wanted to keep this streak, so here we are. Let's try this for a little bit. Probably only gonna do like 10-15 minutes, and then the rest of the night just prep. What's up, John? How you doing, man? All right. Visiting a farm that has a single row of fruit trees arranged from left to right. The trees are represented by an integer array of fruits, where fruits is the type of fruit that the ith tree produces. Type. Interesting, okay. You want to collect as much fruit as possible, however, the owner has some strict rules you must follow. You only have 2 baskets, and each basket can only hold a single type of fruit. Okay. Gotcha. Starting from any tree of your choice, you must pick exactly one fruit from every tree. Bro, what the fuck is this? Okay, so essentially we can pick max of 2 types of fruits, right? Because we have 2 baskets and each basket can only hold a single type of fruit. Starting from any tree of your choice, you must pick exactly one fruit. Okay, so pick starting point. There have to go until find third fruit or end of array, I think. Yeah. Find next number of fruits. Pick. Interesting. This doesn't feel like a graph problem. If anything, it feels like sliding window. I think sliding window? Because, like, you imagine you start it here. We just keep going until we find a third fruit. And then once we find a third fruit, we go up until we no longer contain. Like, what are the numbers? Like, I'm thinking we keep, like a map of what we have right now. Like a set of what we currently store, and then also a frequency thing for how much of that we're storing. Maybe? Would that work? Let's try it out. Hmm. Subcompile. How you doing, man? Okay, it's gonna be, like what is our check to start? What's up, Eric? I'm good, how about you? Chillin'? Chillin'. So, something like, I might be way off with this, but length of curve is greater than 2. I think we just, while it's greater than 2, we just keep pushing it up. Is that true? Do I believe that at all, actually? So I'm thinking like frequency map and a curse set. Because, do you want a hint? No, thank you. I'm good. I mean, this could, I don't know why I'm doing like this. This could essentially just be like a map. I don't really know why I'm doing that. Like something like this. We have our L. Just restructure this a little bit. Something like this essentially just replaces our frequency map in Kerr. Like, okay. Fuck. So that's the number. Because, like, the thing I'm tripped up by is literally just... Like, I know it's sliding window of K. Or, like, K elements when K is just 2. But it's like... So this is our current, and then... How do you get, like, the length of the keys? Okay. So something like that. Then we would delete, like, the left one. Okay. Occur at fruits at I minus equals 1. And then if that's 0, then delete it. But does this have to be in a while loop? I feel like it does. This is L. So if that... I fuck this up. Yeah, this should be fruit. These are like messing me up that the like, you know what I'm saying? Like the fruits are the actual indexes. So if this is 0, then we delete occur at fruits at L. I think. We have to move L up too. And then what do we return? I think we need a res as well, right? Something like this. All right, please. Happy with that. Happy with that. All right, that felt really good actually. That's one of the quicker ones. Medium in like 10 minutes? That's not bad. Okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna head out. Sorry for the short stream, but I gotta go prep behavioral stuff for this interview tomorrow. Because I just have no clue technically what's going to be on it, and as such I think it's better time spent to just hope that my technical skills play whatever they throw at me. Hopefully it's a problem like this where I can just do it. And behavioral I can nail down with like some star technique stuff, because sometimes I just blank. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll tell you how it goes for day 14. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your night. If you haven't connect with me on LinkedIn. Join the Discord, great community. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow.